We're going to convert this activity table into a directed network. So it's just a simple table. It's just really to demonstrate, again, just another example of converting a table into a network. Okay. So in the first column, we have activities. Okay. And in the second column, we have the predecessors. Now I've just written in blue up here, and you might want to get into the habit of this. The word predecessor really just means depends on. So B, for example, activity B depends on A. Activity C also depends on A. Activity D depends on C, and so on. Okay, activity A doesn't depend on anything. So we're going to start off with just a starting vertex. Okay, so we'll just draw a vertex there with the word start on top. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw activity A, and all the activities are represented using edges, of course. Okay, and the start and finish of each edge, make sure there's a vertex at each end. Okay, so I just like to put a little dot as well to say that I've now used that activity, or I've represented that activity in the diagram. Activity B and C both depend on A. Okay, so I'm just going to branch off activity A with activity B and C. Okay, again, I recommend do this in pencil. Okay, so chances are you may have to change the diagram midway through, and then you can use pen later on to just to basically pen it in, and that's your sort of your final network diagram. Okay, so I've used B and C. Now D depends on C. Okay, but E depends on B and D. Okay, so in other words, B somehow has to join up with D. Okay, so the end of B and the end of D have to join up. So you could draw a whole new diagram, or you could alter this diagram. And this is why, again, drawing a diagram in pencil is so important. So what I'm going to do, rather than drawing D across, I'm going to draw D straight up. Okay, that's fine. It's permissible. That's still a valid network diagram. Okay. Now B and D, okay, join up at basically one vertex. From this vertex, so where B and D basically join together, we can draw draw in activity E. Okay, maybe we can go this way. Okay, so I've used up activity E, and then finally activity F depends on activity E. So, and that's the finish. And there's our network diagram.